Welcome friend, my name is Dr. H.H. Pawar from Swaraj College of Engineering, Pandharpur. Today we are going to discuss about line and plane. These are some important tips from line section. The vector equation of the line passing through A bar and parallel to the vector B bar is R bar is equal to A bar plus lambda B bar. Next one is the vector equation of the line passing through 2 points A bar and B bar. 2 points with position vector A bar and B bar is R bar is equal to A bar plus lambda into B bar minus A bar. Next one, the Cartesian equation of the line passing through A x1 y1 z1 and having direction ratios A, B, C are given by x minus x1 divided by A equal to y minus y1 divided by B equal to z minus z1 divided by C. Next one, the distance of point P of alpha bar from the line R bar equal to A bar plus lambda beta bar is given by square root of modulus alpha bar minus A bar bracket square minus in bracket alpha bar minus A bar into B bar divided by mod B bar whole bracket square. Next one is the shortest distance between the lines R bar equal to A bar plus lambda 1 B bar and R bar equal to A2 plus lambda 2 B2 is given by, that is here two lines are given in terms of vector equation form. Then shortest distance is obtained by D is equal to A2 minus A1 dot B1 cross B2 divided by modulus of B1 cross B2. Again in the same way, two lines R bar is equal to A1 bar plus lambda B1 bar and R bar is equal to A2 bar plus lambda 2 B2 bar intersect each other if and only if A2 bar minus A1 bar dot B1 bar cross B2 bar is equal to 0. That is, as we seen in shortest distance, numerator is 0. If numerator is 0, then we will say that lines are intersect each other. Then lines x minus x1 upon a1 equal to y minus y1 upon b1 equal to z minus z1 upon c1 and x minus x2 upon a2 y minus y2 upon b2 z minus z2 upon c2. That is when 2 point lines given in the form of Cartesian form and intersect each other if and only if this condition satisfied, that is determinant x2 minus x1 y2 minus y1 z2 minus z1 a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 equal to 0. Again in the same way, the distance between parallel lines R bar is equal to a1 bar plus lambda b bar and R bar is equal to a2 bar plus lambda b bar is given by D is equal to a2 bar minus a1 bar cross b bar. Then these are important tips from section plane. The vector equation of the plane passing through the point A with position vector A bar and normal to the vector n bar is given by R bar dot n bar is equal to A bar dot n bar. Again the equation R bar dot n bar equal to A bar dot n bar is called vector equation of the plane in scalar product form. Also, if A bar dot n bar is equal to D, then the above equation takes the form R bar dot n bar is equal to D. Also, in Cartesian form, the equation of the plane passing through A x1 y1 z1 and normal to the line having direction ratios A, B, C is A x minus x1 plus B y minus y1 plus C z minus z1 equal to 0. Then the vector equation of the plane passing through the point A bar and parallel to the B bar and C bar is given by R bar dot B bar cross C bar and is equal to A bar dot B bar cross C bar. then equation of the form r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda b bar plus mu c bar is called vector equation of the plane in parametric form. Next one, the vector equation of the plane passing through non-collinear points a, b, c with position vector a bar, b bar and c bar is given by r bar minus a bar dot b bar minus a bar cross c bar minus a bar is equal to 0. The Cartesian form of above equation is x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1 equal to 0. Next one, the equation of the plane at a distance p unit from the origin and to which unit vector n cap is normal is r bar dot n cap equal to p. If L, M, N are direction cosines of the normal to a plane which is at distance p unit from the origin, then its equation is given by Lx plus My plus Nz equal to p. Also, if N is the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the origin to a plane and on ON equal to p, then the coordinates of capital N are PL, PM, PN. Next one is, if planes r bar dot n1 bar minus d1 equal to 0 and r bar dot n2 bar minus d2 equal to 0 intersect each other, then for every real value of lambda, equation r bar dot n1 plus lambda n2 minus d1 plus lambda d2 equal to 0 represents a plane passing through the line of their intersection. Next, if planes a1 x1 a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 equal to 0 intersect each other, then for every real value lambda, equation a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 plus lambda into a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 equal to 0 represents a plane passing through the line of their intersection. Next, the angle between the planes r bar dot n1 bar equal to d1 and r bar dot n2 bar equal to d2 is given by cos theta is equal to n1 bar dot n2 bar divided by modulus of n1 bar modulus of n2 bar. The acute angle between the line r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda b bar and the plane r bar dot n bar equal to d is given by sin theta is equal to b bar dot n bar divided by modulus of b bar modulus of n bar. Also, the lines r bar equal to a1 plus lambda b1 and r bar is equal to a2 plus lambda b2 are coplanar if and only if dot product of a2 bar minus a1 bar cross into b1 cross b2 bar equal to 0 and the equation of the plane determine them is given by r bar minus a1 bar dot b1 bar cross b2 bar equal to 0. These are some important notes in which definitely example will ask two lines x minus x1 upon a1, y minus y1 upon b1, z minus z1 upon c1 and x minus x1 upon a2, y minus y2 upon b2, z minus z2 upon c2 are coplanar if and only if x minus x1 y determinant x minus x1 y minus y1 z minus z1 in second row a1 b1 c1 in third row a2 b2 c2 whole determinant equal to 0 and the equation of the plane determined by them is x minus x1 y minus y1 z minus z1 a1 b1 c1 A2 B2 C2 equal to 0. The distance of the point A bar from the plane R bar dot n cap equal to P is given by modulus of P minus A bar dot n cap. Now we'll see examples based on line and plane examples. First example is a line which makes angle 60 degree with y axis and z axis, then the angle which it makes with x axis is. As angle is made with y axis and z axis, it is denoted by beta and gamma, and it is given that here it is equal to 60 degree. Hence beta is equal to gamma is equal to 60 degree in this case. So here find out m and n, that is m is equal to cos beta equal to cos 60 degree, and that is 1/2, and n is equal to cos gamma equal to cos 60 degree is equal to 1/2. So by using the relation L square plus m square plus n square is equal to 1, we'll get L square is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 1/2. That is L square equal to 1/2 means L is equal to 1 upon root 2. Hence cos alpha is equal to 1 upon root 2, that is alpha is equal to cos inverse of 1 upon root 2, which is nothing but alpha is equal to 45 degree. Next one, if direction cosines of two lines are proportional to 2, 3, minus 6 and 3, minus 4, 5, then the acute angle between them is, first option is cos inverse 49 upon 36, second one is cos inverse 18 root 2 upon 35, third one 90 degree, fourth one cos inverse 18 upon root 35. As here direction cosines of two lines which are proportional is given here, same direction cosines is nothing but direction ratios of that line. That is, direction ratios are 2, 3, minus 6 and 3, minus 4, 5. Hence formula for cos theta is equal to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 divided by square root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into square root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. So put the values here, we'll get cos theta is equal to minus 36 divided by 7 into 5 into root 2, that is cos theta is equal to minus 18 root 2 divided by 35. As we have to consider positive value only, that is by taking modulus, we'll get cos theta is equal to 18 root 2 divided by 35. Hence theta is equal to cos inverse 18 root 2 divided by 35 in this case. Next one, the angle between the lines R bar is equal to 4i minus j plus s into 2i plus j minus 3k, and R is equal to I minus j plus 2k plus t into I minus 3j plus 2k is, first option is 3 pi by 2, second option is pi by 3, third option is 2 pi by 3, and fourth option is pi by 6. As we know that angle between two lines is nothing but angle between their normals, and here in this case normals are, that is as equation given in vector form, that is R bar is equal to A bar plus S into B bar. So here in this case B1 bar is equal to 2i plus j minus 3k, that is here this b1 is considered as 2i plus j minus 3k, and this one b2 I minus j plus 2k plus t I minus 3j plus 2k. So here, as we know that cos theta is equal to b1 dot p2 divided by modulus of b1 modulus of b2. Put the values of b1 and b2 in this case. So cos theta is equal to 2i plus j minus 3k into I minus 3j plus 2k divided by square root of 4 plus 1 plus 9 into square root of 1 plus 9 plus 4, that is root 14 into root 14, which gives us 14 only. So cos theta is equal to minus 7 upon 14, that is minus 1/2. Hence theta is equal to cos inverse 1/2. We have to consider positive values only. Theta is equal to, as cos inverse 1/2 is nothing but pi by 3. So option B is correct choice for this question. Next one is the equation to the straight line passing through the points 4, minus 5, minus 2 and minus 1, 5, 3 is as we know that equation is in the form x minus x1 upon L, y minus y1 upon m, z minus z1 upon n. Hence its direction ratios are minus 1, minus 4, 5 plus 5, 3 plus 2, that is minus 5, 10, 5. By dividing 5 will get minus 1, 2, 1. So equation should be x minus 4 upon minus 1 equal to y plus 5 upon 2 and z plus 2 divided by 1. As here we have to find out equation of straight line and points are given on that straight line. Hence always go by options, that is put the any point here. If you consider this point 4, minus 5, minus 2 and directly put it in here in option. If you observe here, if you put x equal to 4, 4 minus 4 is 0, then minus 5 plus 5 again 0, minus 2 plus 2 again 0. So in this case option A satisfies the points. Hence option A, it is correct choice for this question. This is short trick for finding equation of straight line if points are given. The vector equation of the line through the point 3, 4, minus 7 and 1, minus 1, 6 is, here position vector of A is 3i plus 4j minus 7k and position vector of B is I minus j plus 6k. As we know that equation of line in vector form is equal to r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda b bar minus a bar. So first find out b bar minus a bar is equal to I minus 3i, that is minus 2i, minus j minus 4j is equal to minus 5j, 6k minus minus plus 7k is equal to 13k. So option should be r bar is equal to 3i plus 4j minus 7k plus lambda into minus 2i plus minus 5j plus 13k. That is option C is correct choice for this question. If the lines x minus 1 upon minus 3 is equal to y minus 2 upon 2k is equal to z minus 3 upon 2 and x minus 1 upon 3k equal to y minus 5 upon 1 equal to z minus 6 upon minus 5 are at right angles, then k is equal to, first option is minus 10, second one is 10 by 7, third one is minus 10 by 7 and last one is minus 7 by 10. So here two equations of line given in Cartesian form, and as we know that equations are in the form of x minus x1 upon a1 equal to y minus y1 upon b1 equal to z minus z1 upon c1. So here minus 3, 2k and 2 are the direction ratios for first line, and 3k, 1 and minus 5 are direction ratios for second line. And as we know that if two lines are perpendicular to each other, then the condition a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is equal to 0. Here a1 b1 c1 and a2 b2 c2 are direction ratios of two lines. As we find out direction ratio here, put value of direction ratios, that is minus 3 into 3k plus 2k into 1 plus 2 into minus 5 equal to 0, which gives us minus 9k plus 2k minus 10, which equal to 0. That is minus 7k equal to 10, implies k is equal to minus 10 by 7. So option C is correct choice for this question. Next one is the Cartesian equation of a line R 6x minus 2 equal to 3y plus 1 equal to 2z minus 2. The vector equation of the line is R bar is equal to 1 by 3i minus 1 by 3j plus k. Second one is R equal to 3i minus 3j plus k plus lambda into I plus 2j plus 3k. Option third is R bar equal to I plus j plus k plus lambda into I plus 2j plus 3k, and D none of these. The given line is 6x minus 2 is equal to 3y plus 1 is equal to 2z minus 2, which gives us, that is, take 6 common from all these. Will take 6 as common, will get x minus 1 by 3 divided by 1, then y by 3y by 6, that is y by 2 plus 1 by 3 divided by 2 is equal to z minus 1 divided by 3. That is, take 6 common from all the equation. Then this shows that the given line passes through the points 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3, 1 and has direction ratio 1 to 3. Hence position vector is given by 1 by 3i minus 1 by 3j plus k, and is parallel to the vector b bar is equal to I plus 2j plus 3k. Hence r bar is equal to 1 by 3i minus 1 by 3j plus k plus lambda into I plus 2j plus 3k. Next, a line with direction cosines proportional to 2, 1, 2 meets each of the lines x equal to y plus a equal to z and x plus a equal to 2y plus 2z. The coordinates of each of the points of intersection are given by 2a, 3a, 3a, 2a, a, 3a, 2a, 3a, a. Then C option is 3a, 2a, 3a, a, 2a, and last one is 3a, 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 a. As here equation of line is given to you, directly check by option, that is x equal to y plus a equal to z. Put x equal to 3a in this case, or in as first option we'll check 3a is equal to 3a plus a is equal to 4a, which is wrong. So go for next option B, 3a equal to 2a plus a is equal to 3a, as it is correct. Again check for another option a, that is a equal to, for second one, x plus a equal to 2y equal to 2z. So put here a plus a is equal to 2a, 2 into y, that is 2a, and 2 into z is again 2a. So it will give us a as correct choice for this. Hence B is correct, then no need to calculate other options here. It is short tricks for this example. Next one, the shortest distance between the lines x minus 1 upon 2 is equal to y minus 2 upon 3 is equal to z minus 3 upon 4 and x minus 2 upon 3 equal to y minus 4 upon 4 equal to z minus 5 upon 5 is, first option is 1 by 6, second option is 1 by root 6, third one is 1 upon root 3, fourth one is 1 by 3. As we know that formula for shortest distance is x2 minus determinant x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, then x2 y2 z2 x3 y3 z3 in the a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 in the same way divided by square root of. So here put values of, now two lines are given. So here clearly from first line it is observed that line passes through the point 1, 2, 3 and from second line equation we'll see that line passes through the point 2, 4, 5 and direction ratios for first line is 2, 3, 4 and direction ratios for second line is 3, 4, 5. So by putting the values in formula we'll get value of shortest distance is equal to 1 upon root 6. Next one is the line x minus 2 upon 1, y minus 3 upon 1, z minus 4 upon minus k and x minus 1 upon k equal to y minus 4 upon 2 is equal to z minus 5 upon 1 are coplanar if first option is k equal to 0 or minus 1, second one is k equal to 0 or 1, third one is k equal to 0 or minus 3 and fourth one k equal to 3 or minus 3. As we know that if two lines are coplanar, then determinant x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, L1, M1, N1, L2, M2, N2 are equal to 0. So here first find out points and direction ratios of the lines. For first line 2, 3, 4 are points from which line passes and direction ratios are 1, 1, minus k. Also from second equation of line we'll see that line passes through the point 1, 4, minus 5 and direction ratio k to 1. So put the values here in x2, x1, y2, y1, z2, z1, L1, M1, N1, L2, M2, N2 will get determinant 1 minus 2, 4 minus 3, 5 minus 4, 1, 1 minus k, k to 1 is equal to 0. After solving these we'll get k square plus 3k is equal to 0, that is k into k plus 3 equal to 0, which gives us k equal to 0 or k equal to minus 3. That is option C is correct choice for this question. Next one, the angle between two planes x plus 2y plus 2z equal to 3 and minus 5x plus 3y plus 4z equal to 9 is, first option is cos inverse 3 root 2 divided by 10, second one is cos inverse 19 root 2 upon 13, third one is cos inverse 9 root 2 upon 20 and fourth one is cos inverse 3 root 2 upon 5. As we know that formula for finding angle is equal to cos theta equal to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 divided by square root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into square root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. That is here a1 b1 c1 and a2 b2 c2 are respective direction ratios of given two planes. Here value of a1 b1 c1 is equal to from first plane 1 2 2 and from second plane -5 3 4. So put this value in formula of cos theta, will get 1 into -5 plus 2 into -3 plus 2 into 4 divided by square root of 1 plus 4 plus 4, that is 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square and square root of -5 square plus 3 square plus 4 square, that is 3 into 5 root 2, which gives us 3 root 2 divided by 10. Hence correct option is theta is equal to cos inverse 3 root 2 divided by 10. That is option A for this question. Next, distance of the point 2 1 -1 from the plane x minus 2y plus 4z equal to 9 is. We know that equation of the plane is ax plus by plus cz equal to d, or ax plus by plus cz minus plus d equal to 0. So here a is equal to 1, b is equal to -2, c equal to 4 is in this case, and also point is given. So by using formula we'll get 2 minus 2 into 1 plus 4 into -1 minus 9 divided by square root of 1 plus 4 plus root 16. It is equal to 13 upon root 21. That is option C is correct choice for this question. Next, the sine of angle between the straight line x minus 2 upon 3 y minus 3 upon 4 equal to z minus 4 upon 5. That is equation of line passing through the point 2 3 4 having direction ratios 3 4 5 and the plane 2x minus 2y plus z equal to 5. So here L equal to 2, M equal to -2 and N is equal to 1 in this case. So by having formula sin theta is equal to AL plus BM plus CN divided by square root of a square plus b square into square root of L square plus M square plus N square. Then put values of A, B, C in this case. We'll get 3 into 2 plus 4 into -2 plus 5 into 1 divided by square root of 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square root of 2 square plus 2 square plus 1, that is square root of 9 plus 16 plus 25, that is square root of 4 plus 4 plus 1, which gives us 5 root 2 into 3. Hence sin theta is equal to root 2 divided by 10. Here it is asked for sine of angle, so option should be root 2 divided by 10. That is option B is correct choice for this question. Next one is the distance between the line R is equal to I plus J plus 2k plus lambda into 2I plus 5J plus 3k and the plane r bar dot 2I plus j minus 3k equal to 5. As here first equation is given in the form of vector equation r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda b bar, and second equation is given in the form of r bar dot b bar is equal to d. So here a bar is equal to I plus j plus 2k and b bar is equal to 2I plus 5j plus 3k. That is vector normal to the line is nothing but b bar is equal to 2I plus 5j plus 3k in this case, and also equation of the plane is r bar dot n cap equal to d or p r bar dot 2i plus j minus 3k equal to 5. Hence n cap is equal to 2i plus j minus 3k in this case. So we know that p bar dot n bar is equal to 4 plus 5 minus 9 is equal to 0. That is b bar dot n bar is equal to 0. Hence the line is parallel to the plane. Hence distance between the line and plane is equal to the length of perpendicular from a point capital A equal to, with position vector a bar is equal to I plus j plus 2k on line to the given plane. Hence required distance is obtained by shortest distance formula by putting the values I plus j plus 2k into 2i plus j minus 3k divided by square root of 4 plus 1 plus 9, that is modulus of b bar in this case. A bar dot b bar minus p divided by modulus of b bar. So after solving we'll get it is equal to 8 upon root 14, that is option D is correct choice for this question. Next, value of k such that the line x minus 1 divided by 2 equal to y minus 3, y minus 1 divided by 3 equal to z minus k upon k is perpendicular to the normal to the plane r bar dot 2i plus 3j plus 4k equal to 0 is, first option is minus 13 by 4, second one is minus 17 by 4, third one is 4, and last one is none of these. As vector equation is given in the form of Cartesian form, we have to convert it into vector form of equation. As here line passes through the point 1 1 k, so first vector a bar is equal to I plus j plus k into k cap, and with direction ratio 2 3k, that is normal vector is equal to b bar equal to 2i plus 3j plus k into k cap. So vector equation is I plus j plus k into k cap plus lambda into 2i plus 3j plus k into k cap. That is b bar is equal to 2i plus 3j plus k into k cap, and normal to the plane is n bar equal to 2i plus 3j plus k into k cap. As we know that for perpendicular two normals are, dot product of two normals is equal to 0. By putting the values we'll get 4 plus 9 plus 4k equal to 0, that is 4k equal to minus 13 gives us k equal to minus 13 divided by 4. Next, the equation of line of intersection of the planes. Two planes are given here, 4x plus 4y minus 5z equal to 12 and 8x plus 12y minus 13z equal to 32. This can be written as, first option is x by 2 equal to y minus 1 upon 3 equal to z minus 2 upon 4. Second one is x by 2 equal to y by 3 equal to z minus 2 upon 4. Third one is x minus 1 upon 2 y minus 2 upon 3 z upon 4, and x minus 1 upon 2 y minus 2 upon minus 3 z upon minus 4. First consider equation of line x minus x1 upon L, y minus y1 upon M, z minus z1 upon N. Assign this as equation number 1. As we have given equation of plane is 4x plus 4y minus 5z equal to 12, assign this as equation number 2. Then 8x plus 12y minus 13z equal to 32, assign it as equation number 3. Now put z equal to 0 in equation 2 and 3, we'll get 4x plus 4y equal to 12 and 8x plus 12y equal to 32. By solving this equation we'll get x equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. Hence the equation of line passes through the point 1 to 0. So equation of line is x minus 1 upon 1 L, y minus 2 upon M, z minus 0 upon N. From equation 1 and 2 will get 4L plus 4M minus 5N equal to 0, 8L plus 12M minus 13N equal to 0. So L by 8 equal to M by 12, N equal to N by 16, which gives us L by 2 equal to M by 3 equal to N by 4. Hence direction ratios are 2, 3, 4. It's in this case. So equation of line is x minus 1 upon 2 equal to y minus 2 upon 3 equal to z minus z upon 4. Here for short, if you find out equation of line 1, 2, 0, just put it in given options and check which one is it gives us 0. If you put it in equation 1, definitely it is not equal to 0, as it gives us 1/2 equal to 1 by 3, which is not correct. Again second option also 1/2 equal to 2 by 3, which is also not correct. Third option, if you check 1 minus 1, that is 0, 2 minus 2 is 0, again 1 by 4, sorry 0 by 4 is again 0. So all are correct. So option C is correct choice for this question. That is put directly this equation of line point in equation of line, that is in option. Next one is the equation of plane containing two lines, x minus 1 upon 2, y plus 1 upon minus 1, z upon 3, and x by 2 equal to y minus 2 upon minus 1, z plus 1 upon minus 3 is 8x plus y minus 5z minus 7 equal to 0, 8x plus y plus 5z minus 7 equal to 0, 8x minus y minus 5z minus 7 equal to 0, and last one is none of these. Now any plane through the first line may be written as a into x minus 1 plus b into y plus 1 plus c into z equal to 0, where 2a plus 2a minus b plus 3c equal to 0. And it will pass through the second line if the point 0, 2, minus 1 on the second line also lies in first. So put this point in equation first, will get a into 0 minus 1 plus b into 2 plus 1 plus c into minus 1, which gives us minus a plus 3b minus c. So by solving equation 2 and 3, will get a by 8 equal to b by 1 equal to c by minus 5. Hence required equation of line is 8 into x minus 1 plus 1 into y plus 1 minus 5z, which gives us 8x plus y minus 5z minus 7 equal to 0. Next, the distance of the point minus 1, minus 5, minus 10 from the point of intersection of the line x minus 2 upon 3, y plus 1 upon 4, z minus 2 upon 12, and the plane x minus y plus z equal to 5 is any point on the line x minus 2 upon 3, y plus 1 upon 4, z minus 2 upon 12 equal to r is nothing but 3r plus 2, 4r minus 1 and 12r plus 2. As it is lies on the plane x minus y plus z equal to 5, put this value, put value of x, y, z in this equation, will get 3r plus 2 minus 4r plus 1 plus 12r plus 2 equal to 5. That is r is equal to 0. Hence points is nothing but 2, minus 1, 2, and its distance from minus 1, minus 5, minus 10 by using distance formula is 13. Next, the value of k such that x minus 4 upon 1, y minus 2 upon 1, z minus k upon 2 lies in the plane 2x minus 4y plus z equal to 7 is, as point is given from given equation of line passing through the point 4 to k having direction ratios 1, 1, 2, and it also passes through the plane. Hence put value of 4 to k, will get 2x 2 into 4 minus 4 into 2 plus 4 equal to 7, that is k equal to 7 in this case. Next, the equation of the plane containing the two lines x minus 1 upon 2, y plus 1 upon minus 1, z upon 3 and x by 2, y minus 2 upon minus 1, z plus 1 upon minus 3 is. Now consider any plane passing through first line is a into x minus 1 plus b into y plus 1 plus c into z equal to 0. Okay, thank you to all.